Hi guys, today I am going to show you Bionaire Humidifier. Water container. Two filters. This indicator can tell you if the filter is still clean or become dirty and you have to replace it. I am going to add some water. On-off button. From this button you can switch between level 1 and level 2. Actually, when you start the humidifier it started with level 2. If you want to change the humidity, you have to go level 1 first, and after that you can go to level 2. The humidity starts from 35 to 55 degrees. Thank you for watching.